Ask Tom on Home Show.
Maria from Sugarland is in need of some venting advice.
Well, she's venting all right, Tom. She's concerned about this one. Check that out. It looks like it comes out, it's like a serpentine vent trying to find its way to the outside of the house. So she's concerned. She wants to know, is this properly installed? And what's your advice? What does she need to do?
Well, it's definitely crammed in there, and it's pretty obvious that if it's all crammed and blocked and restricted, you're not going to get the airflow. Whether you do it to an air conditioning duct or anything, it's just not going to be that's not a good looking job for sure. So would I have it checked? Yeah. Would I probably make sure that it's flowing free? Because I can only see so much looking at it. Maybe if somebody stuck their hand in there, they would say, hey, it's opened up, it's fine. But it doesn't look like a great detail. So you could certainly get someone out to take a look at this thing, and if they have to redirect it, revent it, maybe do a nice hard pipe in there to make it more of a straighter run, it would be a lot better option than having that piece of Lamaflex, and that's all that is, just crammed in there. So it does need some attention. It is not something that I can say, oh, it looks good, don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's also, the thing about a dryer vent like that is it's one of the leading causes of a house fire from things building up in it. And if it's having to make all those turns, Tom, I'm worried that the house is in danger.
And it could be. And you know what you would do? You'd pull the dryer out, you'd disconnect the dryer from that connection on the wall, and you literally would stick your hand in there to see what's going on, because thing's all flexible. And there's nothing going to bite you in there. It's just going to maybe have a bunch of lint and stuff that you always need to clear out. But there's only one way to get in there and just to see what's going on. You could maybe just stick your hand in there and just straighten it all out a little bit, because it's like a slinky, and say, oh, there, it looks better now. It'll work better, or shorten it a little bit or something. I don't know yet, but that's one of those feely projects where you got to get your hand in there to see what's going on with that thing. It might be just fine. It just visually looks really cramped right there. I don't know. But it is something that must be addressed. You don't ignore it and say, I guess it'll be okay, and then walk away.
All right. Well, we don't want to ever walk away from a problem, and Tom will give you the advice you need. Visit HomeShowRadio.com just like that. Click on Ask Tom. Send us a written question. Send us a video question. Fill out this form. And at the bottom, you see where you can attach pictures. They really help, like they helped us figure out that venting issue, and that's what we want to do. We post a new one every day. You'll find them on our Facebook page, on the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, and of course where you'll find lots of information and helpful links to our Home Show pros and videos at HomeShowRadio.com.